Weather compensation systems are a great way of reducing energy usage and temperature fluctuations. This helps lower your energy bills whilst making sure your home maintains a comfortable temperature, keeping you and your family nice and warm. Conventional heating controls that don't include a weather compensation system simply use an indoor room thermostat which measures the temperature inside your home and signals to the boiler to fire up the central heating once the temperature drops below the level that you've set. This means that when it's extra cold outside, your home could already feel pretty chilly before the heating system kicks in. Weather compensation uses an outdoor sensor to send signals to the boiler about the temperature outside. The boiler can then respond accordingly and increase or decrease the flow temperature to the radiators to compensate for this, keeping the temperature in your home more consistent. For example, on a frosty winter's night when the temperature drops, the weather compensation outdoor sensor would detect this fall as soon as it occurs. It then automatically sends a signal to the boiler to start up before the indoor temperature drops too low, meaning your home stays consistently warm. Because the system is working more intelligently, it only uses the minimum energy needed to maintain the temperature inside your home. This all means that your heating bill will be lower without feeling any difference in temperature, with the added bonus of helping the planet. Clever, huh? If you're interested in using your heating system more effectively and saving money, contact us directly to discuss upgrading your boiler on this number, or use the live chat function on our website where one of our BOXT experts will be on hand to help.